Yo, what is going on, everybody? Lottery Stocks here. Let's get into today's price prediction for AMC. So we closed the day up 2.11% on the day, and AMC is currently sitting sideways in after hours. Now, the day just closed about 7 minutes ago, and it looks to me like it wants to drop, but that's not what I'm expecting at all, actually, for the coming day, right? We have Thursday and Friday, and before we do some technical analysis, I just wanted to say that if the price were to get over $40, you would have a heck of a lot of gamma happening on AMC. You would actually have 129 to 130 something thousand, to be exact, calls running the money, which is going to cause heavy gamma and a push on the stock. Now, there are a few things that I wanted to go over before I do forget. If you look at AMC on the daily chart, I kind of just wanted to point this out. You see the cycle that we're in, right? You get this push, and then you get a smaller one, and then an even smaller one, and then an even smaller one. And then what happens, right? We get a slow bleed down to the downside, and then you get that smaller push, smaller. And then what happens is you slowly bleed with no pushes, right? No pushes at all. And I think this is where they ruined the cycle. Okay? I believe, I want to go out on a limb and say that I believe AMC bottomed out, even with the naked shorting and other things like that. I do want to say that, right? $13.30, $13.40. I believe AMC bottomed out. Now, what you see happening is the small push, the bleed, the small push, the bleed, right here, the small push, the bleed. And what's happening, to me at least, is this is at most what they could do, is hold us sideways between $20 and $13. The most they can do is let it run and push it down, because the buying pressure is there. There's too much buying pressure there. Now, once they let go, right? Once they let go very soon, which I believe, you're going to see that next move up. And no, this isn't perfect, right? We had a fake breakout right here back in November, around November 18th, November 17th, right? You had that fake breakout out of this big pennant. But overall, it really still does work. You're holding support from old resistance back here in 2021 in March. You're holding that as support. And what's happening is they can't push the stock any lower. And the more AMC bounces off this level, the tighter the spring and the higher the push. So overall, that is what I wanted to say for the medium term. I do think something's coming very soon. Now, there's obviously other factors than that we've went over in previous videos. But as for right now, guys, what I'm expecting tomorrow, right? Because you have this sort of double top here, but at the same time, every time you see it at this level, $16.24, you see some weird stuff going on, right? You had it back here, and you're either above or below. And obviously, yeah, that's how it works for stocks. But if you take a look at just the trend we've been in, right? You get a break under, and then you get a little bit of resistance at it, and then a break above, break under. It doesn't want to hold the level. It just wants to keep it as sort of the equilibrium. So what I'm expecting right now is we got our bleed down to 1442, 1443. And I do think, at least I'm hoping that was the bottom out for this type of spot, right? Because you had 1, 2, 3 right here. And if that was the bottom and we actually get a green day tomorrow, here's what I'm expecting, okay? A break all the way up to at least $18 tomorrow. Remember, this is what I'm expecting if we go green. If we go green, I expect you to at least hit $18 tomorrow for AMC, which would leave, I don't know, about maybe 6 to 12% day on AMC or something like that, 6 to 8. Somewhere in that zone is what you'd see, right? A nice big green day. And if you do see it go red, that's not going to be pretty, because either this was a fake breakdown, right? And quite frankly, if it does go back down to this zone tomorrow, if it doesn't hold, it's going to be bad. Because if it doesn't hold, then I was wrong. AMC didn't bottom out. And you're going to see a breakdown probably to about 1263, somewhere in that zone. Okay, that's worst case scenario. We're always warning for worst case scenario. But right now, guys, what I'm 100% expecting, in my personal opinion, is to get a break above 16.24 and a push all the way up to $18 for tomorrow. Now, whether we close green, we close red, that's not the point here, because they obviously don't want to let us fly too much, right? They don't want to let us go. But if you take a look at the daily, honestly, you can see us bending back around very, very small, right? And if we actually do get one more green day and then go red again for a few days, you're just getting to the end of this pennant. You really are. You're just getting to the end, waiting for that break to the upside. Overall, guys, these videos are usually very fast. I'm sorry for talking a lot. I kind of just wanted to, holy fuck, this is something that I did not see. This is something that I absolutely did not see. Okay? Something, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, everybody has to pause right now and take a look at the screen. Short exempt volume, 486,000. What the fuck is going on? Guys, all right, listen up, listen up, listen up. I'm going to pause this video right here. We're going to end this video right here. I'm going to look into this, and we're going to re-upload something about it. So just get ready, put post notifications on, because I got to look into this right now. But you guys got my price prediction for AMC for tomorrow. Let me get into this right now, guys. I love you all. Please smash the like. Consider subscribing, okay? I love you all. Lottery Stacks out.